feels yummy. Oh, it's in my... Oh, baby. Yes! Good morning. So today is departure day for ASB. It's like 4 something. I'm about to go ahead and meet up with everyone. It's gonna be a long day because we don't leave until like noon, and my site is Detroit this year, and we're gonna get there at like 10 o'clock tonight. So I'm about to go get some coffee and pray some more, and we're gonna have a great day.
He told me his name. I said you're checked in. He was still standing here. I said, do you need help or something? And he said, do I need to be checked in? I'm like, what?
What time is it?
You in. And you weren't even up. I want to cry. Alright.
I ain't here yet. I'm gonna call you when I get there.
I need how you feeling?
We tired, but we gonna get there.
Tilo?
Yo, we finna come through the track.
He's on drugs.
Alright, ASB Detroit.
Tilo, what happened? My love?
So we just made it to our rooms. How do you feel, Ray?
She ain't a CHN, but she'll do.
Good afternoon, Howard University, and welcome to Southfield, Michigan.
Tilo, how you feeling this morning?
I'm feeling good. I had a great service, had some great food. Thank you. We need to thank them.
Thank you so much. Come on in.
Hello.
Take a
Hello,
seat,
how are
please.
y'all? Yes, sir.
Established this bookstore. The director of Common Bookstore is Jami.
And the illusion of security is taken away when the children are permanently led to stray, led to lay, led to die, and led to pray. I want to give everyone a few seconds to drink some water.
So I'm writing. So when you say publisher, like I would put little brown.
All right, welcome to Detroit, Howard University.
So it's day 1 of ASB. What did we do today? We went to church.
Praise God.
Amen. They fed us. It was some good food. They gave us some money, which was really nice. We played some games.
The games are fun.
And then we went to this bookstore. It was really cool. We watched this lady's short film. And then we cataloged some books.
She's trying to. So now we're in an elevator that is.
The whole
not-
thing is expired.
But you know, it is what it is.
What
is important to you?
It's day 2. It's cold.
Oh, I see how the water frozen.
Oh, nigga, we out here ice skating.
Ice
We're
skating
about to go ice skating.
for ASB.
Cultural events right now.
I skated fresh out the...
We made it to our first site.
Yo, ready to serve.
Hi, I'm Fiona. I'm a junior at Osborne High School. I'm an honor roll student. I'm in RTC.
Oh,
and when
yeah,
I grew up, I want to go to the military for nursing.
Oh, we love a scholar.
You are copycatter. She is such a copycatter. But you're not an honor roll student, bro.
Oh.
I'ma just, all right, here we go. My name is Abiana. I major in dance.
Okay.
I major in theatrics.
Ooh.
And I'm a singer. What you talking about?
Ooh.
Great.
My name is Lanaya Jackson.
That's who? That's Twixie?
I'm one of the best at dance.
Hold on.
Hold up.
Oh, yeah, she said one of.
I'm one of the best at marksmanship in RTC.
Okay.
The best in drill. one of the top staff members in JRTC.
We'll see y'all tomorrow.
We be about to go and talk, yeah. Arches scraps in it. We about to go and talk, talking, walking. We really about to talking. We about to make the artwork and we gonna make it off in love. Spitting and talking, I'm rapping and spitting while we all is vibing. I'm rapping, so chillin'. We all on the bus and all starting creeping. No gangs in this place, yeah. We all in this rip. She ain't messing with no broke.
What?
I ain't saying she a gold digger.
Watch your mouth now.
She ain't messing with no broke. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down.
Ghana. Uruguay.
Malaysia.
Haiti. Georgia.
What day is it? Day 3?
Day 3.
We just left Osborne High School. Christine, how you feeling?
I felt like I changed the world today.
Oh, yes, ma'am. We love.
I was down to 2 packs of pens a day. Okay, do you know where the Black Ace is?
Yes.
Hold on. We got Mountain Dew on this?
Sure.
Okay, where's it at?
It's right here.
You want me Mountain Dew?
Oh! No way!
I ain't had no haircut or none of that, bro. That was like, hold on.
Now I got the lemons.
What y'all know about kids?
We get lunch for free today.
free.
Shout
We
out
got
to
bills.
the alumni.
HU Alumni Chapter, Detroit.
Yeah. Shout out to y'all.
Shout out.
I got a shrimp
Good.
basket.
Shrimp basket, chicken tender basket with the pop. Because you know we drink pop up here.
So good. The sun is shining. It is a great day.
It really is. It feels good outside. I don't even have a coat on.
I know. It's low-key hot with this coat on.
What we looking
Place
at?
value. Place value, what number? 300. 300. All right.
Sometimes it is. It does take some. It takes some practice. I'm actually rusty. I haven't done this in a while, so.
Y'all know it ain't no singing. Y'all know
it's the last day. I'm about to go in here and come out crying. But we'll see how this goes. We're gonna make the best of it. Oh yes, that's. Zay, what's going on? What's going on?
The big lip massacres.
Please explain to the people, please.
They look like two grumpy monsters fighting over some food. Oh yeah, they did fight over some food. One of them.
It's our last day. Bye, y'all.
I've been in that one. Oh, that's a video?
It's a video.
I thought it was a picture. All right, good looks, y'all. Y'all good help. Ready? Let's go!
For your 20th birthday surprise!
Come on, Ace.
Hey, bucket!
Hey guys, so I'm back from ASB Detroit, and it was one of the best. It's been one of the best experiences I've had at Howard thus far. From like the people I went on the trip with, just everyone really went to serve, and everyone just loves the kids, and that really made me happy. And I went into ASB like just really exhausted, and I really like genuinely just wanted to go home and sleep, because like this semester has just been mad busy, and just like I was like, yeah, like I can't help the kids this time, like I just need to sleep. But like going in every day and like them seeing me in the hall and they're like, Naz, like come to my classroom, like that just made me really happy. And like sometimes I'll like make the kids pinky promise me, because I work with the seniors a lot this week, and they had to work on their senior capstone projects, and like I was like, okay y'all, this is due Friday, like pinky promise me that y'all have it done. And then one of my kids texted me and was like, told you I didn't bring my pinky promises. And then he was like, you know, I'm coming to Howard after like meeting y'all this week. His name was Amari, and he was gonna be a neurologist. And I was like, can you put a pinky promise on that? And he said, yeah. So Amari, I'm gonna see you in a couple of years here. And just like meeting the kids and like hearing their stories, and like they been through a lot, and like I have as well, so I could like relate a little bit. But just like seeing them persevere and having so much ambition, like it just like really warmed my heart and like made my week. So like even though I was like helping them, they definitely had like a way bigger impact on me. They just like reassured like my interest in like education and equity, and I'm so excited to teach this summer and just be with kids. So I love you guys, the Osborne High Schoolers. Shout out to the seniors. I just love you guys so much, so bye.
So y'all, what happened in Detroit? Period. Understood.